Are you working harder than ever but still feel financially stuck? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. What if I told you the financial game you're playing was never designed for you to win? In this video, we'll uncover the truth about how money really works, and how wealthy people build wealth through financial literacy, passive income strategies, and leveraging assets. These are the same wealth-building secrets they don't teach in school. Let's start by challenging a common belief, that hard work and saving will make you rich. This outdated financial advice sounds good in theory, but in reality, it keeps most people stuck in the rat race. If hard work alone created wealth, wouldn't the hardest working people be the wealthiest? The truth is, the rich play by a different set of rules, and the first step to achieving financial freedom is realizing the system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, just not in your favor. So what do the wealthy know that the average person doesn't? Let's explore 5 essential wealth-building principles that can shift your financial future permanently. Principle 1. Wealth isn't earned, it's built. The rich don't rely on a paycheck. They build passive income streams by investing in appreciating assets like real estate, online businesses, and dividend-paying stocks. While most people trade time for money, the wealthy trade money for time. They create systems, businesses, investments, intellectual property that generate income whether they're working or not. Your goal should be to build or acquire income-producing assets that pay you repeatedly, not just once. Principle 2. The system rewards financial intelligence. We're taught how to earn, but rarely how to manage, multiply, or protect money. That's not an accident. Financial literacy for beginners is the real differentiator between surviving and thriving. Principle 3. Debt isn't evil, if you understand it. Most people fear debt. The wealthy embrace it, strategically. They use good debt to buy appreciating assets, real estate, businesses, investments. They borrow at low interest and earn high returns. It's not about having more money. It's about using other people's money to generate wealth. Debt isn't your enemy. Mismanaged debt is. Principle 4. Taxes are optional for the informed. While employees pay the highest taxes, business owners and investors legally pay far less. Why? Because the tax code rewards risk-takers, job creators, and those who grow the economy. The rich don't evade taxes. They legally avoid them through deductions, depreciation, and capital gain strategies. Want to pay less in taxes? Start thinking like a business, not just a consumer. Principle 5. Control is everything. True wealth means having control over your time, your income, and your financial decisions. That control starts with ownership. The more you own, your brand, your business, your income streams, the less dependent you are on external systems. The wealthy don't just earn more, they control more. And that control gives them freedom to travel, to choose, and to walk away from anything that doesn't serve them. If you want to escape the cycle of financial struggle, you can't keep doing what everyone else is doing. The wealthy operate on information, leverage, and ownership. They think differently, and so must you. Start today by investing in your mindset. Build assets, not just income. Learn how money really works. And take back control of your financial life, one strategic decision at a time. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below with your favorite takeaway. And don't forget to subscribe to Zero to Wealth for weekly insights on building smarter wealth from the ground up.